Hi my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I'm Simran. So in today's video I'm going to talk about how I created this beautiful makeup look that you can see on my face right now. Guys, this is my Ganesh Chaturthi look. So first of all, happy Ganesh Chaturthi to all of you guys. I hope ये वीडियो पहले like Ganesh Chaturthi के एक दिन पहले जाएगा, like 9 को जाएगा maybe. So yeah, I want to wish you happy Ganesh Puja in advance. So yeah, this is the makeup look that I created and that I will definitely gonna create in my Ganesh Chaturthi look. And this is the suit I bought from Myntra. Again, I'll give the link in my description box below if you liked it. So this is like a really peachy kind of a vibe going on. So I hope you guys will like this makeup look. This is a glittery eye look and it's really simple to make. It's not difficult, guys. It will only gonna take you 10 to 20 minutes. So I hope this video will definitely help you. And if you want to know how I created this beautiful makeup look, then please keep on watching. And if you're new on my channel, then do not forget to subscribe my channel, like this video if you like. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Okay, so let's just do our makeup. So first of all, I used this cleanser to clean my face. This is my all-time favorite cleanser. You guys already know, the Face of Eyeshadow Bright one. After that, I'm gonna apply a little bit of toner with the help of this curtain. So I'm gonna take my toner. So this is the one that I'm using. So I'll give all the link in my description box below. So if you want to buy any of these products, you can definitely go and check my description box out. So I'm gonna just apply a tiny bit. Yeah. Then I'm just wiping up. गाइज, अगर आपको एक वीडियो देखना है कि किस तरीके से आप अपने स्किन को प्रेप कर सकते हो, लाइक नॉट लाइक रेडीमेड वन बट होममेड रेमेडीज है, देन डेफिनेटली कमेंट डाउन बिलो. आई विल मेक अ सेपरेट वीडियो फॉर इट एंड आई एम थिंकिंग टू मेक दैट वीडियो सून ऑन माई चैनल. सो या ओके, सो आई एम जस्ट गोना स्प्रे द सेम. 2 sprays enough. So now I'm gonna apply a serum. So for that I'm gonna use this one. So this is the Wow Vitamin C 20% Vitamin C serum. So I'm gonna apply a little bit of this one because ये बहुत अच्छे से work करता है as a like makeup base. So थोड़ा सा बस लूँगी, you know. This much is enough, and then I'm gonna apply it all over my skin. So don't forget to apply like good sunscreen after this. So you need sunscreen after applying a vitamin C based serum. Guys, as I said earlier, we will go with a dewy look and हम उतना ज़्यादा festive जैसा नहीं करने वाले हैं. We will do like a subtle festive look, you can say. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. So guys, next up I'm gonna apply moisturizer. So for that I'm using this one. This is the Simple Hydrating Moisturizer. This is a really good moisturizer, current favorite, and I'm applying this every day, you can say 2 times. So I'm gonna take a little bit and then I'm gonna apply it. So ये prepping हो गया. अभी मैं apply करूँगी like makeup. इसके बाद हम करना शुरू करेंगे. Prepping is really important. I cannot give enough like stress on prepping, how important is to prep your skin before doing makeup. अगर आप prep नहीं करेंगे अपने skin को अच्छे से, then your makeup will look dry and patchy look आएगा आपके makeup का, foundation का. So do prep your skin well so that your makeup will glide on your skin like anything. So in the next step I'm going to start doing my makeup. So first of all we will use a primer. For that I'm using this one. This is a really affordable primer. It's by the Inside Cosmetic. It's the Inside Cosmetic Primer 3-in-1. So I'm going to apply this one first. So बस थोड़ा सा आपको लेना है according to your face and then you need to apply this all over your skin. And आपका जहाँ पे भी pores है आप वहाँ पे apply कर सकते हैं. Guys, next we will apply foundation. For that I'm using this one. So this is called the L'Oreal Paris True Matte Super Bendable Foundation. So this is the one that I'm gonna use. So I'm gonna take a little bit over here first and then I'll start applying this one. So this much is enough. So I'm going to blend my foundation using this one. So this is the Pac brush and it's in the variant 252. So guys, foundation is done. Now I'm gonna shade my face. So before that I want to conceal my face first. So concealer के लिए I'm gonna apply this concealer by Swiss Beauty. So now we will set our face. So for that I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me Compact. You guys know it's my all-time favorite compact powder. So I'm gonna take the same sponge like this one and I'll just going to set my face using this one. So now I'm gonna start my eye makeup. So first of all, let's just groom our eyebrows. After that we will do our eyeshadow thingy. Guys, for doing my eyebrows I'm gonna use this eyebrow pencil. So it's by Etude house and it's the Etude House drawing eyebrow. I just like to comb my brow first. So guys, now we will do our eyes. So for that I'm using this palette. So this is a Nykaa like a 10-in-1 eyeshadow palette and I'm in the variant Daydreaming. So this is the one that we will use today. So I'm gonna pick this shade. So I'm gonna blend it all over my crease. So guys, next I'm gonna do a wing liner. So for that, this is the one that I'm using. So this is the NYB eyeliner. So yeah, this is the one. So I'm gonna do a little like a really small wing, you can say. Okay. So now I'm gonna smudge it out using this Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette and I'm gonna use this shade here. So इसको लेके मैं अपने लाइनर को थोड़ा सा स्मोक आउट करूँगी and so that it will look really nice. पर सूखी वाला पर स्मच आउट कर देंगे. So now I'm gonna apply this glitter. So this is from the brand called Swiss Beauty and I am in the variant let me see, it's in the variant 02 Diamond Dust. So I'm just gonna apply this one. So यहाँ पे मैं अपने हैंड पे थोड़ा सा पहले ले जाऊँगी एंड उसके बाद ही अप्लाई करूँगी क्योंकि इट्स रियली पिगमेंटेड. अगर अच्छे से नहीं लगा तो इट माइट लुक बैड. Okay, so now I'm gonna apply this on only on half of my eyes. So we are done. You can clearly see this is how our eyes are looking and I'm really liking the makeup. Now I'm gonna apply this mascara. So this is the L'Oreal Volume Last Paradise Waterproof Mascara. This is like my all-time favorite. You guys already know how much I love this mascara. So for blush, I'm gonna apply this one. So this is the Wet n Wild Color Icon blush, and I'm in the variant Mellow Mine. We are done with blushes, and now I'm gonna apply highlighter. So for that, I'm using this one. So it's the Wet n Wild Color Icon highlighter, and I'm in the variant Petal. So it's a really good highlighter, and I don't know why it is underrated, but yeah, it's बहुत अच्छा है and आपको एक blinding सा look देगा. Let me show you guys. So guys, lastly for the lipstick, I'm gonna apply this shade. So this is the True Matte lipstick by Nykaa, and I'm in the shade Turkish Rose. So this will totally gonna match my look. So I'm gonna apply this one. So that's all for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe my channel. That would mean a lot to me. And also comment down below what other kind of a video you want me to make. I'll definitely gonna make that for you guys. I shall see you in my next video. Bye bye.